Howdy everyone. Today in this video you will learn 4 keyboard shortcuts to open appointment window in Microsoft Outlook. So if you are on the email segment, simply hit Ctrl+Shift+A. That will open your appointment window. You can enter the details here and save it. The second keyboard shortcut is simply hit Alt+H+I+A. That will again open the appointment window. And if you are on the calendar segment, so currently I am on the email segment. To switch to the calendar segment, I have to click Ctrl+2. That will take me to the calendar segment. Here I can use my third keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+N. That will open my appointment window once again. And the last keyboard shortcut, which is Alt+H+I+A. That will also open my appointment window. In any of this keyboard shortcut, you are redirected to the appointment window. Here you can insert the details here. You can add the title. You can set up the time and date. You can also make your appointment to the recurring form and simply hit save and close. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.